Hi guys, this is unboxing time guys. Today I have something to unbox with you. I will not waste you a lot of time. Let's just dive and open this. This package have come for a week now. I don't have time to unbox it. I don't really know what is inside it, so it's going to be a surprise to us. Okay, let's see, because I know I made a order. I made order on Amazon. I don't know what this okay. Oh, do you see it guys? I like unboxing. I don't know why. So this here is pink Himalaya dry oil body scrub. Oh, this is so nice for scrub, because this kind of summer we are going to enter very soon. We need to scrub our body very nice to shine. Okay, I got this for myself guys. And I got something again. I got something again. I've been hearing about this particular I saw this in Amazon. People are buying it like crazy. I said, let me just give this a try. So like, yeah, I bought this thing before. I bought it once because my girl is having some pimple, you know. She started having pimple this time around, and I'm trying something I can use to help, because she have not used the age of using all these kind of things that big girls can use. I said no, I don't want to start earlier to use all those products. Yeah, so I decided to get this. Okay, look at this. I don't know, have you used this before? I got this last time and she used this to wash her face, and this is working for her. She asked me to get it again. The name is KJI Acid Soap. How do you think? Can a girl of 11-12 years use this kind of soap? Let me know. If it's not advisable, I'll also stop it. That's why I'm unboxing it with you. So I got this KJI Acid Soap. They say it can reduce or remove pimples. Okay, let me know. Is it good for her? Yeah, she just reached 12 years guys. So another thing I got here is this. This is also turmeric Koji Acid Face Scrub. This is for her, just for her. You know why I'm doing this? You know, when I was a teenager, I suffered a lot about pimples. Pimples do disturb my face. That even made me, I begin to, you know, if you know Shelly, when Shelly was in vogue, now we don't hear about Shelly again. Those days in homeland, I used Shelly or Sherry, we call it that time. If I'm not mistaken, I've used like more than 80 bottles of Sherry to control pimples. So she have started having pimples at her age now. So I've been trying to looking for something I can use to give her to control those things. So this is turmeric. I've already used made a DIY of turmeric with what again? Turmeric and honey and what again to apply on her face, but that one is not working. So I got this. This is for scrub. Yeah, also turmeric. So I got this. Have you used this before? Is it working? So this is another. This is maybe 3 things I bought, and another one is this and this is almost the same thing. This is also turmeric and vitamin C face scrub. Maybe I'll be using this for myself and she'll be using this. So I got it through parts, different make, and this different company make. So this is it. Have you used it before? Is it working? I don't know. So another one is this. If you know this, summer here, we do shave like almost every week. Yeah, this is shaving. What you can use to remove hairs on your body, your hand, your leg, yeah, wherever you want hair to be removed, you use it to remove. That is the name. That I bought it also to take care of myself in this summertime. Is it summer? Spring, summertime, yeah. So this is what I got from Amazon. All the things I got from Amazon. Amazon have a lot of things, beautiful things, whatever you want to buy. And if you just get the name, just go to Amazon, type it, it will just pop out. Just get it. Within 2 days, it is there on your doorstep, and you begin to enjoy your products. So that is how they look like, what I got. So this is simple unboxing. As Chikwado space now, I love unboxing. Unboxing is my life. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think. Comment, give me a like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us, okay? I love you. Bye.